So welcome my students in our next topic, graphical representation of polynomials. Graphical representation of polynomials means here we represent the polynomial equation in a graph, means relation of the with the polynomial with the graph. Okay, so in a linear equation we know we see that types of the polynomials: linear, quadratic, then cubic. So linear means what? Linear polynomial. Highest degree is 1. That means the zeros is 1. If quadratic polynomials, the highest degree is 2. That means zeros is 2. If cubic polynomials, highest degree is here 3. So zeros is 3. That we represent 1, 2, 3 in a graph. Suppose I draw one graph, and you know this is the x, this is the x, this is the y, x-axis, y-axis. Now your graph is like that. Okay, can you guess how many zeros are there? How many? 1. Why 1? Because that this line in this graph intersect at only one point in x-axis. Did you see? Only one point. Okay, that's why we call this 1 0. Same, I draw one other graph. Y, x. Okay. Now here is, you guess how many zeros here? How many? 1, 2, and 3. Okay, 3 zeros. One more example. Y, x, so this is the original. Okay. So there are here how many? Only 1 point. So number of zeros are 1. So if it is 1 zeros, then so it is a linear polynomial. If it is 3 zeros. So it is cubic polynomials. Okay, this is also linear polynomials. Let's copy this one. So we continue the our topic is now we move to the next topic, relationship between zeros and coefficient of a polynomial. Okay, so relationship between zeros and a coefficient of polynomials. Coefficient means that you know that the value of x square is 2, then x is a minus 8 and constant term is 6. Means first of all, you write down according to equation. This is our standard formula: ax square plus bx plus c. Okay, this is our standard formula. So what is our a? What is our a? A is equal to 2. A equal to 2. B. What is your b? B equal to minus 8. Minus 8. And what is the last term? C. C is 6. Okay. A equal to 2, B equal to minus 8, C equal to 6. Now, here we have to see the how to solve. Okay. Relationship between the zeros. First, we find the zeros means solution. So it is quadric polynomials. We got the how many solution zeros? 2. How many? 2, because highest power is 2, so our zeros is 2. How? This is the this equation was solved by factorization method, split up method. Okay, so 2x square minus 8x plus 6. So factorize 2 into 6. 2 is the 12. 2 is the 12. 2. So now split up 2x square minus 8x plus 6. 2 6 is 12. 2 3 is 6. 3 1 is 3. Now we want two numbers, two integers numbers that we add or subtract. We got our middle terms, this minus 8, and multiply. So we got the 12. So minus 8, 2 3 is 6, 2 3 is 6, this 2 3 is 6, and this 2, minus 6 minus 2. Minus sign, why I put minus sign, both the numbers, minus 6 minus 2, minus 6 minus 2 is minus 8. If we add, if multiply, minus 6 into minus 2 is we got the 12. So this is our correct two numbers. We split up by split up method. Split up 2x square minus 6x minus 2x plus 6. We split this numbers. Okay, minus 8x minus 6x minus 2x. Now we take the common, this 2, this 2. 2 is the common and x is the common. X minus 2 3 is the 6. Okay, 2x into x, 2x square, 2x into 3 minus 6x. Then here was same number, x minus 3. X minus 3. So minus 2, we put here minus 2. Minus 2 into x, minus 2x. Minus 2 into minus 3 is plus 6. Now, x minus 3, 2x minus 2. Here we put the zeros. In relation with the zeros, so we put the zeros here also. Okay. So zeros. So because we have relationship between zeros and coefficient of a polynomials. So now x minus 3 is equal to 0. We got the two factors. This is called factors. S minus 3 to s minus 2 equal to 0. Now find the zeros. After till we study this thing in 9th standard. How to find the factors. Now we find the zeros. So s minus 3 equal to 0 and 2x minus 2 equal to 0. Okay. So x transpose minus 3 here. So plus 3 and 2x is equal to 2 minus transpose side plus 2 x equal to 2 divided by 2. Answer is 1. S equal to 1. So here you see that you got a two solution, means two zeros. Okay, this is called s equal to 3 and 1. Okay, this we call roots or zeros. This is we call roots or zeros. So we got a two solution of x, 3 and 1. Okay, 3 and 1. Because this is the coordinate polynomials. Okay, now we verify. So this x, we take the 1 0 alpha. 3 and 1, we got two solution, means two zeros. Okay, so we take one value alpha, means we count 3, call 3, and 1 we call beta, second 1. Alpha is equal to 3 and beta is equal to 1. So how we verify here? Here is the one is the alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta means sum of two zeros or two roots. Sum of two zeros. Alpha is 3, beta is 1. 3 plus 1, 4. 3 plus 1, 4. Now verify. Alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. Alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a, and now b is minus 8. Minus 8. We put a minus sign. B is minus 8. Okay, minus 8, and a is 2. So minus plus 8. 2 4 ja 8. So answer is 4. These two values are same. So our answer is correct. Then one more solution is alpha into beta, because for polynomials, so alpha plus beta is over. So now alpha into beta. Now multiply 3 into 1. 3 into 1. So 3 1 ja 3. Now alpha into beta means C by A. C by A. C is 6 and A is 2. So 2 3 is 6. So these two are same. So this is called verify. The answer is same. So our solution is correct. Okay. Let's note out this one. Okay, so now again we take one more example, then you clearly understood the relationship between zeros and coefficient of the polynomials. Here also we find the zeros. So this is also quadratic polynomials. So we got the two zeros and we verify also. So again, see, now A is here 1. B is equal to 7 and C is equal to 10. x square plus 7x plus 10. Now 1 into 10, 10. Prime factor, 2 5 is 10, 5 1 is 5. Even two numbers to add we on two numbers we add, so we got a 7 and multiply to get 10. Okay, so the number is 2 plus 2 plus 5 plus 2 plus 5. X square plus 2x plus 5x plus 10. Speed up. Okay, 7x. 2 plus 5x plus 10. Take a common. X is common. X plus 2. So here I have a 0. Okay. And here is the common is 5. X plus 2 equal to 0. 5 is common. X plus 2. You see, this factor always be same. Okay, what is the uncommon factors? No, s plus 2, s plus 2 is common. Okay, now we have two factors, x plus 2 and x plus 5. Okay, कितने फैक्टर निकलेंगे? S plus 2 and s plus 5 equal to 0. Now find the next term, find the zeros. We find the zeros. X plus 2 equal to 0, s plus 5 equal to 0. Now x equal to plus 2, transpose this side, so minus 2, x equal to minus 5. This is our roots. Okay, roots, or we call zeros also, both is correct, called roots of the equation or zeros of the equation. So why we call the zeros and roots? Because when we put this value in this equation, the equation is satisfied. If we put the minus 2, in this equation minus 5, so these equations are satisfied. Okay, so two zeros, we got minus 2 and minus 5, means alpha is minus 2 and beta is minus 5. Okay, alpha is minus 2 and beta is minus 5. So we have now verified our equation is correct or wrong, means our solution is correct or wrong. So we have first of sum of the zeros, means alpha plus beta, minus 2 plus minus 5, minus 2 minus 5 minus 7. Okay, and alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. Alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a is equal to minus b is 7, minus 7 then 1, so answer is minus 7. Same. The next is alpha into beta. Alpha into beta is minus 2 into minus 3. Minus 2 into minus 3 is minus 6. Sorry, minus plus 6. 2 3 is 6. Now alpha into beta is equal to c by a. C is 6 and a is 1. So answer is 6. This also are satisfied. Okay, let's note down this one. Now I think it's clear to you all the relationship between the zeros and the coefficient of a polynomials. And if you have any doubt, you can ask, you drop your questions in the WhatsApp group. Okay, let's note down. beta. One more thing, students, that we see that we find this solution, this roots, two roots we got, two zeros we call, x equal to minus 2 and max x equal to minus 5, x equal to minus 2, x equal to minus 5. So here why we call it is zeros? So I tell you, suppose this is LHS side, and I think you know, but I recall this one thing, that LHS side is s square plus 7x plus 10. So we have we got a two solution. Okay, and RH is equal to 0. Okay, so RH is equal to 0. So as value is, we got first minus 2 whole square, 7 minus 2 plus 10. Means we take the value of x is minus 2. So minus 2 square is 4. 72, 14 minus 14 plus 10. So 4 plus 10, 14 minus 14 is equal to 0. Means our first solution is satisfied. Then again to take the second same equation, x equal to plus 7x plus 10. Now we take the value of x is minus 5 whole square plus 7 into minus 5 plus 10. 5 square is minus 5 square is 25. 7 5 ja minus 5, 35 plus 10. So 25 plus 10, 35 minus 35. 35 minus 35, 0. So if we put these values in this equation, okay, so our solution, our equation is satisfied. Means we got the answer 0. So that's why we call it is roots of the equation or zeros of the equation. Okay, clear you all? Please note down.